What's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is David Benjamin from Wellstar Reviews and Healthy Wild Free. Today I'm reviewing the methylated multivitamin by Codeage. Now, Codeage is a brand that makes a lot of different vitamins and supplements, and I'm going to share with you what I like and what I don't like, and sort of what I question about this supplement and why I honestly don't recommend it for most people. So if we look at the back and the ingredients, there's a range of vitamins. So it starts with vitamin A, C, D3, E, K, a bunch of B vitamins, B3, 6, those types of things, B12, biotin. So a bunch of B vitamins, pantothenic acid, B vitamin, choline, calcium, iodine, magnesium, zinc, selenium, that's one half the label, copper, manganese, chromium, molybdenum, NAC, or N-acetyl L-cysteine, which I really like NAC, but you can buy that. It's a pretty cheap supplement on its own. CoQ10, inositol, alpha-lipoic acid, and Bacillus subtilis, which is a probiotic, marigold extract, boron, which boron is helpful. It helps magnesium and vitamin D3 absorption, and lithium, which is good for brain health, and vitamin K2, which is going to help your D3 absorption, and zeaxanthin, not astaxanthin, that's different, zeaxanthin, which is good for eye health. So it's got a good range of overall nutrition. It's mostly vitamins. This formula, I would say, is maybe 40-50% vitamins, maybe 20-30% minerals, and then another 20-30% probiotics and compounds that are supportive in different ways. What I like about this formula is their magnesium is glycinate and oxide, but I don't know the ratio. Glycinate is really a higher form. Oxide is a cheaper form, so kind of 50-50 to be honest. I like that it has selenium, that's really good for blood sugar. I like it that it has potassium iodide, which is good for the thyroid. I like that it has D3 and K2, which are cofactors, and for absorption, both of them. And then I also like that it has chromium, which is also good for blood sugar, and boron, which helps magnesium and vitamin D3 absorption. So that's what I like. What I don't like is the formula, the vitamin A, vitamin C, the first three, I mean, actually beyond that as well. But when I researched the first three, ascorbic acid, vitamin C, retinol acetate, vitamin A, cholecalciferol D3, which is hard to pronounce, those, at least two of those, A and C, and probably the D3 to be honest, because it doesn't say it's derived from some sort of nature source. These are all lab-created synthetic vitamins. And what I want to point out here is that it's important to understand that, if you look online, it says your body will absorb real vitamin C, like synthetic vitamin C, but I beg to differ. I personally don't think that it does. And there's a few reasons for that. Number one, your body's going to recognize something from nature far better than something that has been lab created and is synthetic. The reason for that is because adaptively, the human species has consumed these berries or fruits or, beef or whatever it is, eggs, chicken, fish, yogurt, whatever it is, for hundreds, thousands of years. So to just synthetically create a lab-derived nutrient and be like, yeah, it's the same molecular composition, it doesn't really do it justice. So that's the first reason. The second reason is these synthetically derived vitamins and things are going to have byproducts. In other words, metabolic waste. This breaks down into what is known as metabolites. Metabolites are excreted by the body, typically through the urine, in an effort to remove what is foreign to the body. Another challenge with quote unquote foreign things to the body is that sometimes the immune system will react. So if you have an autoimmune condition or something like that, I personally wouldn't recommend utilizing any synthetic vitamins or synthetic compounds in any regard, because you're taking an unnecessary risk and it might flare up your immune system. So while I like part of this formula, I would say about a third of it, 2/3 of this formula, I really don't like because there's a lot of synthetic vitamins in here. And honestly, most people are more deficient in minerals than vitamins. The whole idea of a multivitamin is sort of ridiculous in my opinion, to be honest, because minerals are far more important. Minerals are the base foundation of your health and nutrition. Vitamins are built on top of that. If you're deficient in those minerals, a lot of those vitamins are not even going to be utilized by the body because the minerals are the base. Magnesium, potassium, iron, zinc, all of these minerals, sodium, are so important to quite literally the base of your body, your heart rate, your nervous system, your cellular health, your cellular hydration, meaning extracellular to intracellular hydration, the water getting outside of the cell into the cell, these types of things. If those boxes aren't checked, then the vitamins that you're consuming may not even be able to be used at all if you have those mineral deficiencies. So I really think it's important to make sure your mineral levels are higher. And with that being said, that's why I don't really recommend this product, because it's more vitamins than minerals, and the vitamins are synthetic. And unless you're deficient in something in like all of these things or a lot of these things, this product probably isn't the best product to take. What I do recommend, however, is a product called Radiate 21. It's a blend of 21 ingredients that are actually from nature. Everything is nature derived in this formula. It's from Amazonian, Ayurvedic, and Chinese medicine. These are 3 time-tested medicinal practices around the world in the Amazon, India, and China that have quite literally been used for thousands of years individually and have been proven to benefit the health and our biology in multifaceted ways. With that being said, this formula contains a soil to sky formula, meaning there are roots, things under the soil, berries, herbs, flowers, tree sap, and other things all in that spectrum. So that soil to sky spectrum is really great because it gives you nutritional biodiversity. It also contains vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, plant compounds, and many other bioactive ingredients that support the health of your gut, your lymphatic system, and reducing your stress levels so that your energy levels naturally increase. And it's really formulated to benefit the lymphatic system, which a lot of people overlook in their health and wellness journey because it's just simply not talked about enough. And the lymphatic system, when you're taking care of your lymphatic system, you're better hydrated. Your gut works better because about 70% of your lymphatic tissue is in your gut. So a lot of people don't understand that a big key to actual healing of your gut and gut health is lymphatic health. So gut health, brain health, energy levels, joint health. If you have achy joints, I've actually used to sometimes have knee issues, knee pain, that type of thing. With Radiate 21, I have way less of that, and I just don't experience that nearly as often. And if I'm on it consistently, I don't feel that. So I really like this formula. Like I said, it's 21 ingredients. There's stuff for collagen building. There's vitamin C in here. There's roots. There's berries, essential oils, extracts, flowers, things that help your mood, all that kind of stuff. So check out radiate21.com. By the way, it's 100% plant-based formula, similar to the Codeage. So if you're looking for a plant-based formula, that is a really good alternative, and it has a lot of biodiversity, and I think you'll just get a lot more out of this than you a lot of the Codeage Methylated Multivitamin. If you're looking for really bioavailable just vitamins, there's actually a company that I really like called Lineage, which gives you electrolytes for hydration. And then it also gives you a variety of other things. So I'll link this up below as well. This is just a really good solution because it also has an organic berry blend as well. And it also has colostrum in here, which is good for healing your gut. Oh, and it has kidney, spleen, pancreas, heart, and liver organ meats, which gives you a lot of biodiversity. And those vitamins and minerals in those organ meats absorb better than arguably anything you can possibly get. So I have a discount link for this. I literally have these on hand all the time, the original and the chocolate, and I just add it to yogurt, and I noticed that I feel better, and I just noticed this really helps because you're getting both your macro and micronutrients, as opposed to the Codeage, which is just micronutrients. So Radiate 21 is a good alternative for Codeage in terms of like a plant-based formula, but if you're looking for a formula that is not plant-based and you're more keto or carnivore, Lineage is really great. I use them all, so it's good to have them all. So I'll link these up below. If you have any questions, leave your comments or questions below. Please like, favorite, share, and subscribe to my channel here. I do health and wellness reviews. And if you want to get discounts on more than 30 different health and wellness brands that I've personally vetted as a health and wellness coach, visit healthywildfree.shop below in the comment section, and you'll get discounts, codes, free shipping, special offers on superfoods, supplements, biohacking technology, fitness equipment, and so much more that I personally use and love once again as a health and wellness coach. I'll see you in the next video. Make sure to have a great day. Bye.